Ana amuru na moto kontrola. Ana amuru na moto kontrola.
Le pele re shebile re hona le ntho re shebileng le pele batho ba itlontlonna fela hona le ntho re shebile
mare guys hello Megina Lori
Kiss Baba.
What today, DJ? If you good in that, guys. What today, Mutu? Rukwala shuka ye. What today, rukwala shuka ye.
Rukwala kile fasila ni las.
Guys, what today, rukwala shuka ye.
Rukwala kile fasbo kheta. Mutharuna.
Aro kheti ratla.
Watsa na senze ke mo kheti.
Wala mo kheti.
Na senze ke mo kheti.
Okay. What today?
Mokgethile ne ke se batla go ibua live go sentse ke mokgethile ke batla gore ke mo amoeletse le candidate jalo ka tse ding wa bona
o sa khethile
a nna pelong ya ka ne ke se batla go ibua
wa kheta pelong ya wa kheta pelong ya a marna funa ka jalo wa etsa tsetleng guys see video o so ka ka batla check guys today that's why I get the right page for that guys let's buy him but like your sister Jacqueline ke lebetse I wanna mo di hlanganante I wanna mo di kopanante guys dumelang es lekker mandag vandag letsatsi la nela the right pick guys man mo re tsuleng letsholo to search for Mamncane guys le a tseba we are looking and searching for Mamncane re ntse re matla high and low Dimo hey le tohle ona I bile chain guys can it bile a long chain but can it e ka re thotse
e ka re thotse empa nna ke kopa le nne le tswele pele le nne le WhatsApp
WhatsApp
ke kopa le nne le tswele pele le WhatsApp ba batlang go kena fela e ka nna ba re thotse a ke wa go ntse ke na le tshepiso go bona ke betsa hape
a lebo o bua contradiction statement signal ke na nyametse wa hala batho ba gae connect signal guys currently we are still searching for Mamncane and then TP kikwena ne arwa tseba ke Dr. Lemme kamo le Batleman
baba ke na le lona official ketelo
o buele o dibue
ke na le lona official o re wa tseba ke Dr. Lemme kamo le Batleman la baba ke na le lona
ba re
batho
wa dilo tse dintle mongi ma
hello family Radebe Matumelo mama entle ha se ba le comment batho ba kgetho show ntse e tswela pele empa WhatsApp nena e le tlotla le mo bona nna ke choositse ha ke tsebe ntate
le nna ke choositse no rena go thata guys ke choositse ke matla yona o choositse matla Patrick my big brother hello guys hello Patrick Josie Ario network Josie BTR dumela my family dumela guys re na le mathata
a ke re ba bone tsatsi mehlaere ke na le of masentse re hla le motho tsatsing ba e bona different gore motho wa rona kona ke kena
guys re choositse so re na le bothata o choose wa hae ke choose wa ka so today we are finalize so DJ how come po fukutsa hanyane fe guys and jela ka momadu congratulations ke queen and congratulations muruti le mamuruti hali mutotsi mamang guys I was so excited because when I know how it ke ba ya ka gesa hore wa le bokoma wa ka koma ke ma ka gesa
kama ina ke ba la sema bitso le tshwana wa le bokemang wa hae ke mang ho di candidate di tsantse le di boneng ho di candidate di tsantse le di boneng
wa ka ke mang ele nahana hore ke motshuditse
ba ha ba qala ba mention e ba ka ba bangata after ba hao o tso go hlotse
okay
la ba le bangata e ba
marna ke nahana hore ba tlo mention e mawaka o tla bona okay a re check guys batho ba 6 fela ba ka re jetsang hore ke mang eo wa le buki ofe le butshutse ofe nna ke tshutse ofe ba ka re founela ne
061 503 4617
a re check
wa le buki mpho without a doubt wa le buki mpho le nna ke a le ena mpho ha bulena kwa mang
mara mpho a swaka
a ke ba le ba bona mohlamola ntse ke sentse ke mpho ke mothusitse
o bona bi wa tsatse phone
e tlo e etsa ke re sale ke hotspot ke yona
baby
wa le buki mpho tsa go hlotse
kana wa le bukofe
le buki nna
ke wa lebu ka o mki batla re mpho kana mpho ke ofe
mpho ke nna last candidate
kwa ka yo
hello kwa rona
kwa ka wow
bana ba shebile hane ke fa mpho high five ke tswang ke re ena ke monkile kwa ka bile ntse ba go tla mo khuma wena o slebo
ba re lebo amar guys le unfair
le kwa Dr November ke batho bana ba tseba ho matches Aski
ke tla bua
o tla re
guys ke bohlokore wa lebo inini
empa wa tsa batho ba ka ba le babedi batho ba ka ba le babedi
inini yana wa hlang wa pele e be ba wa ntho wa pele nile wow mamncane wa pele wa Lesotho ona tshutse ko wena ne and then ubuthuza liani ana ro hla ke ya simbi kana ke mang tebo ubuthuza ba bona ba le ba nna waka ba ka le lento 2 million lento
ke ka ba hana hore ne ba ha o hlotha bona ja o hlotha kana
wa lebu ke mpho wa novi ke mpho mare
tumi ke wa novi mpho ke wa lebo lona le bone mara he se ba itse mpho ke yena
guys reintroduce Ringes baba raro fela ringes ba five reintroduce ke motshutse ngwaka a Dr November ke mpho ka mo vote mpho marumpotsa bele le batho tumi fonovi ba re motlhaisi kwa pele Ariel Puseletso Nthatisi Ariel
Onika condolences and now in 5
ba re motlhaisi
4
3 2 1
Okay.
I'm so happy. I'm so glad that you're right. It's the best in Kulu.
Okay. All right. Hi, darling. Hi, darling. Give me the candidate candle.
Oh,
Yes. Greetings, viewers at home. You are greeted by the one and only OCO lovely. OCO, like also the Randilo said, all right. Kini langalani hey, inanga elinkulu. For abantu abankulu. Bayenza izinto ezinkulu ze polygamy. Yes. Kini tatasika season 1. Hanenze really in the search for me for Ntate Moruti abadithola he viewers at home are not here to keep or to hide any secrets.
se ke o bua hantle.
Ntate Moruti abathola di sharp ileng o sleep ya ba Ntate Moruti lo sleep bambali ha ke sa ale sa hla ke ne le mpona ne sa hlotse ke tla bana bambali. Then make you feel like, man, no, I miss my viewers. I miss viewers at home. But you know, let me come and hijack this show. Because I am a person for the people. And the people are for me. And I'm here to assist the people. And the people are the viewers. So now I'm here and our lovely couple. Anyway, I so ke bobona. Ke bona le nna amutle. Haholo le te. Ka le ba haholo viewers. I know he ke show di comment di kena ke so ke di bona but ke show di kene di le ngata di njwetsa hore ke mutle. Now I'm here because ke bone hore gona le Jenny, gona le di candidates tse di tlileng. But before we can get to the Jenny to the candidate re tlo bua ka tsone, re be go tlo re today ra kgethang kapa yang. Ne? Ntate Moruti o tshwaregile yang man. O tshwaregile yang. Ke choice e o dirile. Shabanna sa tap. Dilo tse ka di tlhaloganya tse. Next time lebella for ta bo so nkaraba right away. No, ka di tlhaloganya dilo tse.
Kgetho ke yentseng.
Yes, ntate.
Mbimetse.
Oh, my people. Kgetho
ka mbimetse.
Yes.
Ka nnete dutse mona. Le mo. Ka nnete. No, but on a serious note, I'm still happy. I don't regret for my decision.
Yes.
Up to so far, I ke so ka ke bona anything e ke tsa more kutlo re.
Ke tlo dula monate lo askising ka ya tshwara. Le tla di bela ke tsa go tsamaya le utlwa. Okay, yeah.
No, Kanete, I don't want to lie. Until today, we are still okay. Still together. I don't regret. Kanete, I don't regret.
Okay. Jonathan, le kopantse ke right pick ke na le ditokelo tsa go botsa dipotso tse.
Okay.
Osebu wena the feeling ono na le yona the first time ono bona Dr. November mo di social media o so ka o phela le ene and then wa tla la kopana on a date la kopana on a second date now feeling yo e santse tshwana le no kapa e chinchile le ha e chinchile jwang
ntse manifesta fela tsa se letsatsi
wena
ha ntse manifesta morato
ha manifesta ya hula kapa
hola ntse hola letsatsi le letsatsi
unzo go mo rata every
vita go
all right le manifest now let's talk about the candidates.
Okay.
It's a semi-finale, and now I want us to talk about the candidate. Have we read it today, and then come up you know. Osanzo se batla step because ha ke botsa Ntate Moruti ke Ntate Moruti ene o lo mo qapalitsa. A ke mo sa ngwana go no sa se batla step kopano
ba ntse ke se batla mara ke se batla ka mo pelong.
O ntse we ba
ntse le ntse ke batla ka pelo ka kofela.
Oh.
Ene ntse ke batla ene ntse ke rata
Okay.
ne ntse ke batla ebile ne ke rata ka pelo ka ofela ka neta, I don't want to lie.
Oh. So ka mantsama Oslebu
Be man papa ska ba ile ba
nto Oslebu uqhulutsitse lese
ntho le khana ke etsa agree. Remember nkile ka bua ka hore in my first marriage step ke le ka se etsa ona le step se ne ke iketsetse sona saka se ne ke jolla ke ntse ke nyetse ke di moruti ke iketsetse step saka, and then ka tsatsi le leng my first ex-wife abandumela or ke be le somebody ba connecta le motho the lady wa thing in the doctor then ke kutlwana le doctor. So msadi wa my first ex-wife ona ndumeletse re ke be le that lady, so in this step but it's just that in this musaqanya but in this step, so step una isa le ke serata
Gola o bua ka taba e bi o tlala matla wa ntumedisa ka matla yana ha wa ntumedisa ka matla yana go go le no le ha o re blela history
no mara ka neti no I don't want to like step isa le ke sebatla.
Okay.
Kana ke mba tsa fa bua re ha se ba tlo ke nna ke le mo le banna ba dutse mona ba nshebeletseng le basadi ba bona
e ka nna ba ba filetse le no fila ka yone pele
ba se batla viewers at home mo se ka botsa monna ha o pela ha o tlo bona ha ka dia mahlo a ba panya wa se batla viewers at home botsa banna ba lona if le nana ke nna fela batla step botsa your partner no mo botse o tlo bona
ha re se ka ga dira for batho ba sa shebella show e shebelle mpele via set home then litla decide bona la ba botsa ka pa ya but ntate Moruti le Oslebu yes ne go buditse rona yes after you have spent time le ntate Moruti because I kere I wouldn't say viewers but Oslebu could have taken time before to know that the Moruti do etsa eng e be le one maybe a considerang step now listen le nako e telele le spendile together now feeling ya batla step ntse le teng kapa ha isa le yo
ka nnete e ntse e le teng ha holo fela because ha se ka twele ke le ka eng ka hobane ke batla hore ke kene kapa bana ke le ka bona le ntho a ithabelang ke ntho eo le nna le ntho ke e ratang so e ntse le teng feeling
a no sa impress
ke sa o impress
ke ntho wena o ka thabelang
go ya ka nna ene ka re motho ya le be ke tlile yena le first candidate ne mo hlaisi a o tseng ke hlele go hoja ene le ntho e loke kapa e be ka tsela eo ene ke re le ka teng hoja ona ntse a le teng ka be se re khethile ke a gola
okay
ke batla ebe qalong hle ke kene le motho re ithute ntate lena ithute rona ho nkaofela.
Oh all right you have met with 6 candidates okay now who bone ba le 6 ke potso e feng e kareng ene the easiest for them to answer and then ke potso e feng e kareng ene le thata for them to answer. You know what ha ke tsebe rona re tlo qetella re itse banane ba file kapa re kgetha from the 6 but now I want a viewer at home a shebileng a ka batlang go ba mamnane re etse a journey ya go joiner easy for her aba
na dipotso tsohle tse ba botseng tsona all of them the candidates tse naitlile a ke bona na dipotso tse difficult no difficult questions for them ho tle batho ba le ready
you are coming to a point e ke batlang now
ho tle batho ba le ready so
a ke re ka season 1 all the ladies ba ne batle ne le batho ba leng ready ba ba go itsileng ba khethileng gotla mo go wena ka tsela o leng ka yone. Do you understand Ntate Moruti because we know Ntate Moruti ke Ntate Moruti wa tsela ya gage neng nna sister J ne now people ba tlileng ke batho ba tlileng ba le ready now the question ne ke botsa ne ke batla e leaded to this hore no batho ba tlileng ke batho ba leng ready ba understand now ha ke le shebile nna kona nna go ke le shebang ke le understand ne kona nna go ke shebang
o blela in the how no re sheba ka pa o re shebile
ha ha ke le shebile not now ha ke le shebile but ha ke le sheba ne in all corners hona le nako ke le understandang hona le nako ke sa le understanding and ke putsa this thing e diragala mo bathong ba ba kae maybe ba e ka nang that thing e ba thibela to joy ho ba bo mamnyana now ntate Moruti ha ke le understand ha le etsa sister JJ ne
are the sister JJ
Lekker Vrydag now is the person o tlang ele mamnyane e santse ya nongene because hona le sister Jacobeta hona le sister Jacqueline now yena ke gonna sister J mama do you understand kapa ke ntho le iketsetsang yona as fun ya lona e le go ruta batho kapa ke ntho le gore ha ke tla as candidate I have to fit that thingy
ke ara
ne ka ya ga ditla ke ya ga ba
ka bui ka moramtate
la ba bona viewers at home la ba bona viewers at home
go gata tsebo go etswelisa pele go gata tsebo
indoda nxa ithethilelo arabe baby nna tlatla ke ka no indoda nxa ithethile ke molamthosa thethe
okay
le tla tseba gore batho kana le di personality tse fapaneng so ha ga lebella kapa di character tse fapaneng ha ga lebella gore candidate e bang e yaka aba tshwana le Lebu because Lebu kene jole retsa le ka Frida ga jole re lebelle ha ga lebella motho a jwalo empa ha hona le motho a nang le character e tla be se bothata empa ha re strictly re ba batla motho a tshwanang le Lebu yes
so ona mhlale tlo mo feature mo Lekker Vrydag
if I feel go batla go ba on social media ha rena bothata.
Was it your choice to be on social media?
It was my choice.
Okay. Ndate Moruti, was it Lebu's choice or was it your choice?
No, ne choice Lebu. Lebu was na le character felt ya yona ntho ya Lekker Vrydag.
Wa re bla
no first motla a etsang ona motla ha ke tla qala ho kena le ha ke tla qala ho kena ne be ke mo botsa gona ka thowareng eno go dutse diphahlo tsa eba o re ke tsa sister Jacobeta ya ba kere Jacobeta na di dintho tse tshwanang ka mo ka re leta ke apara a re ye wena ka re hey dilo kena ma ka re dilo kena mo ya ba sentse re discuss le bitso ntse ga apara a go sho ka 100% ke nna yo ke again. But
if you can sit down and check the character level, remember even our first date, Nali Lebu nas na di show. Ubile everything about Pelobay. So that thing you born for Lebu as muta di show. So that is why Osaka ngaba the problem or ekaba party ya
Lekker Vrydag. Yes.
But now if ki araba the same way motho ka arabile ka teng
wa sa re Lebu motho ka batla mfidisa ya
ese ke le tla bona bana ba go gae
koza me ya ntira
ya ka bona mswaka o tla bona you say the right pick of the woman of the you yes a woman of the you come straight from the husband but na if ki araba ki tlorin pele a ke batlo ba banka I had that mentality wa hore I candidate e tshwanela hore e tshwane le Lebu e tshwane le nna wa bona I had that the other thing that feeling in it is what pele ki di viewers because the viewers ne dire ha ba re shebele tsore no ka isa le choose motho le choose motho a tshwanang le lona so ke ba I plan that thing ka mo kelelong ya ka okay maybe we need to consider that hore ba ke motho ya tshwanang
le
Lebu but the reality of the truth wana seleke kelela ka maila gutla and ila gutla ka mora this lady wa ona le this lady o Coco West Temp ya mo shebela holo o ka ra lenyalo o rata o bua ka polygamy ne so Coco West Temp o ka ra polygamy yena le monna le mamnani le monna wa hae when o check out Coco West Temp monna wae ha se part ya social media 2 mamngane ha se part ya social media gogo Western Budula hla ali wa ke yana buang a rutang ka taba ya step ne and kelelo ka go no this is the I think this is the wrong mindset ya hore ke batla motho ya tlotla a tshwana le
Oslebu
ya tla tshwana le wa bom that you change 2 it came back again or man what is the vision ka step saka what is the vision ka step as akinyali Facebook akinyali ruto jaifa Lekert Vrydag
yeah yes
akinyali for Lekert Vrydag even if viewers bana ba kene ki feel hore pressure e ba istroang ho rona e etsa hore jwale motho o batle mamngane o similar to Lebu because now Friday o tshwantse re tlo etsa
Lekert Vrydag
and kelela ka came back hore no November ha o nyale Lekert Vrydag you've got responsibilities
yeah
you've got responsibilities in the ministry in the your life the candidate so I cannot expect mototshwana le Lebo rutlo jaifa re entertain the viewers every Friday now I cannot choose Mamngane because of the viewers I cannot choose the Mamngane because of Lekert Vrydag I need to choose Mamngane for vision yakaya step now I had to change that mindset so that is why now as we speak hakena tabalori ke Mamngane a di hlong and that thing is to reaching the system or okay if wa hlokala re kopana le batho behind the camera
behind the
scene we don't mind because now the important on his tape not not social media no so for me hore ke thola Mamngane o di hlong Mamngane osa rating social media I don't mind as long ele Mamngane who can come and join the family and push the vision ya victorious ya November ya runa really family.
Okay, now family tell me le kopana ke re le bo Mamngane the candidates and then la bua le bone okay now going forward ke batla this one re kala right going forward does age matter to you because tabana last week nona le wa 25 ke 28 ke tate mo gutikana bokayes
le ke sompotsa dilemo
no re bua ka age mo
le no o botsa potso tse thata
ke botsa potso tse thata
re tla ho ila tata
le ke o tlo runa sentse re nate re thabela so how tetibetsa re tlo qetele rena le stress re sa khone
sa je ga yalo ke the right pick and ke teng monna show o teng and then no I want to understand how na lena le age because that moruti ke sa go lata 60 ne lata 60 ke
accessile ke 55
o tshwere 55 last year
55
ayo o tshwere 55
skela taxa age yaka skela be anda age yaka project
55 and 2 months
yeah it's amazing yo why the age yaka anda
okay aribe anda majane ndati mbukutu o 55 years plus ne Oslebu u 32 years plus now ke kopa re pueng ka age hore na ile hore lena le age 18 ele shebile kapa motho e mong le mong a filang a le ready for commitment ya polygamy o right
seleke before re tlo ke tlo arabana ke galla ona ntse ke batla re se ra di bana le nthuso re tlo bua ka tsona ya pele ke batla re tlo bua ka batho ba hlala ba bua le Lebo re Lebo aska atatela step ke batla re tlo bua ka yona ya bobedi ke batla re tlo bua ka batho ba hlala ba re when ona le candidate ke tashi for the candidate ibile ke neglecta Lebo ke batla re tlo bua ka yona ya boraro ke batla re tlo bua ka hore ba re Lebo wa tšhintšha ka mahlong
ne ntse re tla ne re di tlhekela re ga ya ha re di gana ke ga di tlhekela show e nne monate wa ba because tso di ka nna di ba show e 10 e offerempe
o ka pulane mo tlabatsi a re ba e ja ka under pressure
ke tlogeletse ke itse ke 55 plus
ba re be under pressure mama
okay
ha me re qala the genius step ntho Lebo una sa compromise una batla strictly to be mamkhulu
hey statement se deep una sa compromise una batla go nna strictly mamkhulu okay
but I understood her reasons.
Okay,
because onare the nugget about if somebody can be mamkhulu then mutona bomunyala then mutona abasa batle hore o yetse step ke tlo ba bothata
okay
nna the reason why ke batla ba mamkhulu is because nna ke a tsore ke tlo ba mamkhulu ya alawa ngoro nyale step ongo tlesisa tato enele le bakala wa lopola enele bakala
so kwa mzama ha le mamkhulu go nna le mamngane go ka nna ga diragala nje mo bophelong gore o batle number 3
no
re dira example
tsela ga lo sanga teng o the reason ke ne ke batla ba mamkhulu ke o bane nna ke tlo alawa second wife but ha ka phika e mong pele ba kere ha ke na taba gore na ke mamngane
what if you pick us about clean step
o wa anka mamkhulu a tseba hantle go ke teng e be ga ha qeta mokukebe o sa qala ga nna ha batle
step
ha batle step e ba jone ba botse hona mo
bala comment ene kutla ke ra totele botsa
skata telantet Lebu ihlile wa tšhintšha ka mahlong ke mone maoba mona ke batla go kenya CV ya ka for step jo ka ba ka tshaba bathong ba modimo
le bomorobana ba leisa batho lebo Lebo ba leisa ba mosadi wa ka hle
ka pa re qhomele teng motlagi go tšhintša na tshwatlego
re patla re bua ka yo
mara ha re yeng monana he
okay pele Lebo ona dutse tabeng ya gore batlo ba
mamkhulu yes
and ne ke respect Anton because she's the first person or ke mo pike in a first
season
so ne ke feel or she's got the right to say ke mamkhulu because ke pikile yena but now hana go ntse tsamaya hona le di candidate tsene di apply ba bo 35 40 baba holo yena and ne sa ba fi attention because in our mind ne rena le nthaure itlo sebetsa jwang taba mamkhulu wa 40 ka
mamkhulu wa 32 ka mamncane wa 45
wa bona ntoni ne tsa re be skeptical and the candidates tsena ta dika ba ka bua hore ne re sa ba fi attention because ne re ba botsa age motho no am 40 and umunga ram 45 and that thing in na person in discourage because kelela ka employer or mara cannot go for somebody who's 45 ebito ba mamncane Lebu ebe ba mamkhulu marka 32 but when Lebu a chincha okay that thing ya hore that time a re khone nka mamkhulu wa 40 wa 45 ini re etsa hore re nke only 30 32
31
25 in because it was ne ke feel hore it go match to have mamkhulu wa 32 mamncane wa 28 ne ke feel hore to match nna but the reality of the truth into age wena seleke as much as we can try we ipapanyetsa yona ina le good side and the bad side ina le good side or what again the advantage and disadvantage disadvantage yeah age we all know hore when you are young you can choose a partner because only 25 years. Umu choose because of the situation you're in today. But also when only 35, also let somebody else. Then go on out to realize the person who choose take age at 25 has here. That is why most about divorce. But when you're like age Hana consider about divorce. Most not all of them. Most about divorce, and the reason why about divorce it is because Mutafika home
32, 33, Tona Itzebang, I understand.
I feel 35, Kona Atzebang or okay, now actually Mama. Now Kiona realize our partner as your. So it entails risk. Lower even if making our age doesn't matter for me, but it entails risk. You get my point?
Okay.
Because in entails risk, you're not age level. 9 infrastructure 32 and then Leo she's young but in infrastructure 2 but in 20 any gets our kibe kiske ka hona ba negative for age ke experience ya kaya my second marriage or because also again also ne ke monyetso of 42 years ona phela bongwana ona phela bo 25 years na jola a favor I the inbox so I need to be confused to mar actually age matter so for me in impabuta because but only 25 years I mean by 30 on alba be van hantle bon khono ba 45 ke ditoro better tsa khan so motho qetele confused
babang and maybe mostly ba wena ba o batsiba babang and maybe ba o batsiba Gonna let about 45 bands about the land.
Age is a problem, Yona. Sometimes moto play or okay, maybe moto takopana limutu ukakopana limutu ototola or even if akaba 35 akaba 40 wekabanza behave ne yeah it's all but it causes a lot of confusion taba ya age on a serious note.
Okay, now le qetile jwang taba ya age
re qetile ka hore even if we can have mamkhulu of 40 years we go for her.
Now batla swapa di position
batla swapa
ha ke mind
o ile ra mind
re bua last week ibile ke ya tresa ke re wa tseba keng ha ke re shebe tabena
and then why le buile last week one can ask nako e ka ofela le tla tsonetse le sa ibu then why le discuss was it something hona something maybe triggerile kapa ine le fela taba gore le sheba journey ya lona ya go batla mamngane
ne re shebile journey jole ke shebile di candidate tse kenang gore pele ke ne ke eme gore ke batla go ba mamkhulu jole batho ba kenang ke batho ba age e ka pele ho nna bona jole be re dula re sheba ka thinyane le yena o nantsa e shebile gore ine le ntho ke buileng ka yona le yena ne ntse le ntho a tlotla bua ka yona gore ha ke re shebe tabena age hantle but be ke fitla le nna jole ke bua gore hantle ntla hantse ke nahana ke sheba di candidate tse ha ke nahane gore taba ya if ke title ya mamkhulu ya methara ho nna o metharang gore ke teng bophelong ba hao ke batla ho tlotla ho etsahala maphelong a rona kaofela motho wa kenang a kena if ke motho wa moholo e ba mamkhulu I am fine with it as long re tseba hore builder
go right
mashabo ha hona motho wa kene ka gore ke mamkhulu mmamele ke mamngane kapa ke fihlile pele mona ke nna o feeling position ha ke batle dintho tseno ka long ke ne ke kene ka ntho because le teng ntse le excitement ya hore jo ke fihlile pele ho yena
ntate Moruti when uno bua ka taba ya hore you not getting married for the social media for like Fredaga for the viewers o buile ka gore wena you are one person o nang le di responsibilities now and then ona le life ya how as an individual person ona le life ya how as a pastor and then ona le kereke now dilo tseo tsa di responsibilities do you both consider them when le kgetha di candidate
the responsibility.
Yes, I
run
get it,
so.
Mame, that when you get like no, on a vision ya step official so ka go shegela sone go rena vision ya gago wena step sa gago batla go se gana yang. The only thing that you mentioned right now go go wena alone as an individual on a lead responsibilities. O moruti o boso ne and then gape o na le kereke. Now that means whosoever atla ntse atla a itse gore o tla mo motho ngwe gore o na le di responsibilities. Now checking of the age tsa di candidate question ya ka go gore na ha le kgetha di candidate tse pileng mo tse re di bone ne le di consider na di responsibilities tse na.
That is why Lebo are in rebuile
last week. Okay.
Pele, we did not consider too much. We did not focus too
much on the responsibilities.
Relera chiefta. Actually, I had those things in my mind. Responsibilities. Or na kibatla mosadi ya tlo bapala 1 2 3. But excitement yeah it's to change. Excitement I get excitement when Lebo atla re qala ntho tsa bole ke Frida ga together yeah it's to change o leba leta ba or mara ha kinyali social media.
Okay.
I can Frida. So therefore, I cannot choose a partner. Ya fita leker Frida. Marasa to fita the responsibility. Hence, we had to sit down and check. Okay, let us change this strategy. One, we change about we don't mind to who is Mam Kulu, who is Mam Nine. Doesn't matter. Two, we consider the responsibility. Now, as we are looking forward for Mamnan interim mark, searching for Mamnan, the responsibility is the priority now. Not social media, not Laker Fredag, not entertainment, because that entertainment is just a spice. Marunto important, killing yalo.
Okay, now going back to the question in Tele, before we go to the we deciding the 6 candidates. Going to the question in Tele, that the Muruti Aizeng, Rebueng Kajone. Yapele, Oslebu, we have seen. I said, I'm a person for the people. Yes. And I'm here for the people. Now, people have commented a lot. There's a bit of jealousy that they see. The candidate and off. Now, now at least today you're getting a platform maybe bo off about body viewers now I'm giving you that platform jealous.
To be honest, ke be ke sa bone hore ke be se ke tshintshile. Ke be ke sa bone ho ha. But then I went back ke shebella le nna ke tshebella and be ke bona ntho eo e batho ba e bonang. But ha ke dutse mona ke be ke e lore ke mametse attentively ho ha eba ke candidate ba entse bu ke be ke mametse yona. So I think batho kana go eno ba re ke a change na go ke thotseng ke mametse candidate ya bobedi hona le batho be leng hore like I said re fapana re le batho hona le motho a tlo fihla le motho a hyper amane. So I'm a loud person. So ke tlo tla leveleng ya hae ke be jwalo mohlala ke tlo etsa mohlala ka our last candidate ha ba hodimo ke ba hodimo and then motho ya ne momtumi ka bana ene le motho a kham ke tla ba boemong bono ba hae ha ke kgone hore ke be mane motho e mong a le tlase ya bo raro nnete jole ka se o mputitse potso hore na lerato le sele le kae ho tloa pele ho fihlelletse gona jwale le se le hodile haholo jealousy ke ntho bopeletswe le motho ke nthetong ho nna I do get it.
Has a statement. Say, why are we hit a speedian? How we hit a speed, man? On so close into Zore. This is in the Kileka, Hutela Mura, Kancheva, Mountain Round. No, remote at jealous. No, you can see it. The point that I noted, you said noticeably.
Okay, look at the chat. Marlena could have
yes, at home, Muna show okay, Legato Silicajala Papazo. They are Papazo. Mare, I want viewers at home to call. It's a thing that I go phone recording libon.
Okay.
Yes. I can't utlwile hore o ntse sa ipone hore sefatlho sa hao sa change, and then you even went back where you shape and wa bona hore nnete sebele sa change, but the most important thing ke hore when you met with Dr. Nomema, maybe lerato was 30%, no jenana it's 150%, and he ne re tap tabeng e serious, and jwale ha o so mo rata haholo
jealousy ke ho ba le ntho ena ya jealousy nyana e bang teng, but still ke ntho e tla no ke contain because I'm in front of the cameras, but jealousy yona ke ntho e bang teng.
Ha re se ke ga e polishang ga etsa lelomo lo ha re se ke ga
can't
ha re se ke ga e polisha re etse handle, you know what,
because ke se ke mo rata haholo,
but that does not stop you to want polygamy.
yona ha e stop.
Amani na kutla khala. Nina kutla se ke na le potso
No,
ba.
because ke ntona ke reng qalong ne ke sa qalong ha ne ke batla ho kena le motho, ne ke batla hore re tlo ba in this journey together, because ne ke tseba hore ha ke tlo iphumana ke mo ratile haholo, and then hona le motho mo gatlo tla kena sentse le ona se ke mo ratile haholo. But then ha ntse o tla di candidate ntse di change ntho e ne yona ya go tlere ebe go tlo keteletse go etsalang ha se re qeta go kgetha motho, because now se ke developile le gato le kana ebe go tlo tla go etsalang ha motho wa kena o tlo shifta attention nyana o tlo tsang go ke dintho tse tlang tse le gore ne ke se dintho tse ne ke di nahanne qalong,
now
because ne ke sa nahana leeto lena.
Okay, now dintho tso ha di tla, because dintho tso iputsang ka tsone is not like ditlo hona le nako ditlo tloa. Instead there will be a time mo le phelang le tsona e leng a permanent thing when somebody else a le mo. Now ke ntho thusang go di hlole ha di tla
Go ke hopo ke a hopola hore lebo you said o batla se tape bona motho o kentseng, and se tape se tlo tsamela le hore o tlameha hore o amohele ntho mo le nngwe e tsahalang. Ntatena o tlo le rata le babedi, wena ntho tlameha ho etsa go hore bua le yena, if o kwe ka go so file jealousy ke yena tlo tlang etsa go ke be comfortable ke tsebe ho no lebo ke ntse go rata,
o batla fela e tla re le butse go
ntse
rata.
go rata ha ona letho le tlo change, ha hona letho le tlo change, ke ntse go rata re ka ga ntho ena na re le babedi. Ha se ya ka ke le mo ise le o ke tla ke divide hore wena o fihlile pele na ke sa o rata se ke sa lerato mane, and we do sit down and talk, and o nyetsa ke gore re bile ne re sa tswa bua a nyetsa go ke feel comfortable ka ba hantle.
You have a chance to
ke bone di comments tseo tse
yes,
batho ba ne ba re ke a change.
you have a chance to change your decision right now. You have a chance to change. Viewers, host. You know what? I give it tomorrow. I want you to take a vow in front of the viewers. You have a chance to change tabaya polygamy now, or you go forward. This man you're going to share with another woman.
Sure.
Now, but the person I can come vow here.
Hey, viewers at home, pockets and the day travel. Well, pursue. I don't know, Leo, come on. Leo studio.
Vow if making killing vow. Capella high, Kiena Kimuzo. As much ke bona di comments ke etsang and hobane ke metsela gato lena le lekana wena, but ke batla ho go promise jealousy e ke nang le yona ke ya lerato ke a problem ha se ya hore hona le letsatsi le ke tlo change ke ga ke se batla se tape ke ntho e teng ene ke shoe teng mo sa ding mo le mo
ya jealous.
it's a pic that na ke hlaisitse ka ke le ka pela di camera, which malapeng a manga ke ga ba pela di camera.
Yeah.
So na e bonwe ke batho but ntho e teng ka ga malapa ohle. So ke kopa o tsebe hore ha hona nako ke tlo change ke seo nna ke se kgethileng ke se batlang.
Okay.
And forever.
Okay. ke nana ko tlole bikinyana ke tle ho umntu omkhulu at least unono ge moya ne umntu omkhulu hey o ikutlwa yang ka feeling e o se le bonang le yona
Yeah, jealous.
Yeah.
Ke understand 150%. Ke understand handle.
Okay.
You and can understand and still I still maintaining the respect that I have for Lebo. Why? Because step us into is that is why today when Lebo and I call onto a step, people didn't understand what Lebo how step us easy all together. They feel about my Eastern Cape also no but I kill him.
All right.
Now, and the reason why Stepu Sisi is into is it is because of the jealous. The only thing that makes Stepu Sisi Sabah easy
Kitaba
jealous. I understand. Two, I did understood what she was saying more. Ntwana ibata. Unabatlo kenali mamnani from the beginning.
Oh yeah.
So that akale ukena Stepu asanza le ngani ngabe lihlele mithi kana ke benze lihlisa hlaka net
I think
can net babe please
be taba ya hore when ba qala ho ithuta na le wena ba qala journey ena na together now hana ntwana ya hore o tlo bona o so o shebile mang o yetsang. Okay.
There was a time mo batho ba kile ba create a confusion o yena. Actually bana ba batla create that confusion babile ba mo foster ba mo phoneela private or no Lebo, but why are you forcing yourself ka Stepu in why let's ratana le ntate Moruti ke be ke mo dulisa fast ke Lebo, don't allow these people to plant this thing in your mind because now remember uqala step one Stepu uyetse sa mojolo uyentse some Jolo. How I said the real step samaneti like sin. Now, now yet on talk along with yeta.
Okay. Oyenza sa 2080 rule. In nearly 20% mujolo.
Yes.
Now no chena what but you are the 80%.
Yes.
Okay.
Now don't allow these people or banabatu when to say when stick to your decision because these people but is a confusion where and now this thing is heavy for you as much you do it but it's heavy and then allow yona but it is not right to about to battle say about throw away the idea about throw away the my kutaba lerking
me ikutlwa ba khona go bua whatever ba ibatla mo wena
ke mo khalme karaba khalmele these people because this thing ba yetsang high right so ntwe ke re tlang yona ke na I understand or every woman can be jealous and but still I still respect it about it because jealousy I must put as and again I understand what jealousy cause came if Lebo nerekeni step from the beginning because all of us represent on 20 ngabe re sina mathata Lebo nkaba a itlwaeditse hore November ke mo share but now unza ha so ka itlwaetsa hore November mo share as much in the batla di candidate but I so feel stage in same sa hore ke be le motho a tsibor no November ke mo share so I understand the jealous.
Okay, we understand it nini because through all the 6 candidates the go boneng ona le John you are very touchy ne and to them o tla bo tenile o tshega o ba haka o dira now abanna off right on the show now ke batla go itse gore na wena o understandile your cause nini.
No, I did not understand about cause ya jela
the when we tamika
no I can't understand the cause ya hore nna ke cause jealous ke understand ile jealousy who
and I'm
Leona as a woman
ne
the only thing it's
Butepe mare ha ntsa ba tshwara ya lo banyana ba antsa go wena wa nqhaza wena o dira e go dira o nna jealous
taba eno ya
ke batla ela ya kapa re be re buela mo
ke be jealous
okay ke ka go gopotsa o tla mamiki
no kana potsone re hore
wena now wa understand that the cost maybe
no after re bue ka batho ba ne ba throw
dintho ho yena ba bo maikutlo a bona
ba bo batho wa change you seems jealous in ka re bua and it's last week wa bona it's a re bua ka ha ile hona a bua nnete hore neng ntwena ya step ontsa dutse udima yona but this thing ya hore ibe ha o tlo re qeteletse re thotse candidate e dreka ntwena gore e a dreka and e batelele and now ya mo frustrate ka lebaka la hore the more sa thole candidate is the more bang attached. Now it's going to be a problem o yena neng when ho tla candidate ka Monday. So because now unta ba attached if eka rathola candidate ya fair
and then she learns to leave. Okay.
It's every time every Monday we expecting another candidate. So now we will know recently about we feel jong we tsara and can understand that because on a serious note we all know every woman who jealous ka taba step.
Okay. Wena ndate mo go tumo go tsega gala eng ga ka wena when you touch when o tsega when o nna happy ha di candidate di
nna ke motho touch nje ya pele all my candidates from the right pick ya pele the right pick first time of the
right pick season 1 We said home that mo tuna dira example le ka gore yene o touch since from right pick season 1 because I carry right now the most season 2 viewers at home.
Sure, guys, I can't take my cheering. So guys, from the
season 1,
Palisa came.
Yeah.
I feel soon.
Yeah.
Before Palisa atla, nentse ke tshwara batho re qoqa. Ke ba tshwara ke tseya. I sale ke le touch. And then Palisa ke atla fihla nkisa. That was the beginning ya kissing. I sale ke ba suna basadi bana kaofela.
So mara no thabile ne ka right pick season 1 because o tla ba 11 but so to number 2 usune 9 dollar yo.
Kisunne. So now how the reason why ke ne ke etsa jona the candidate a ditla number 1 nna personally ke a tseba ra o easy re motho dule le nna I'm not an easy person je how easy re motho ka tla nje a bue le nna le ke re ke you know and how about baka the dating kelela ka ntse I'm the one because these people ba tla ona ke nna something ke ba fidise it easy ke nna so when re tlisa candidate the reason why ke be ke tshola candidate one replace candidate but the reality as much candidate ile huruna and the sad part most of the time the candidate di kala di bua le lembo
Yeah.
most all the candidates di bua le lembo so candidate a etla already ba se ba le comfortable ka lebo so ha ba fihla mo ke nna now a tswantsa ba etse ba be more comfortable show and that is what ke be ke botswara so because I want to make the person more comfortable so that moto ha komona aba express itse alensona ka hohle.
All right, viewers at home, I hope this one you got it right. On that Muruti, the candidate had it di apply go ba bo mamnani di bua le Oslebo. Now when they are here, it's a mosebetsi wa ntate moruti to make them comfortable, because I know viewers at home ask me, I know ne ke bua le di candidate from season 1, I know ba bang ba batla go sia ba santse ba le mo le motho re dutseng le ene no a ileng a kgetho re ile ra tlameha ke mo rapele ke direng, we know, because batho ba kreya cold feet at the 11th hour. Now tsela ha le bona ntate moruti a bathasha a dira, now just know gore ge ntate moruti a batla go ba dira comfortable. Ntate moruti, there's a word that you
only the candidate ona bua le lebo ba kopa lebo bo tsaitse ke kopa ke nka phone ke re ke bua le ena ke etsa la drop a call
and ke motho e lengwe bile ona le willing hotla because ona bile a botsa hore na a ka kgona go kopana le nna life pele but ke ste ka tla le ntate moruti a ke a motshaba fela ke batla hotla
bona ba batho ba go tshaba.
no, I'm very anointed.
Yani ke batla re tle mo now that batho ba o tshaba ke bone le kana ko now re tlo ke batla no I can't I'm here for the people. Now tell the ladies, because I believe there are ladies that moruti ba santse ba batla go tla ba ba tshaba ba bang ta bona ba senda WhatsApp motho ba I delete immediately. You understand? Now ke kopa go bua le bone tlhobutana
Seleke one, some of the ladies here one as much ba batla go tla honna ba bang the demons, they don't allow them to come.
Okay.
Ba bang ba demon possessed ba bang ba tso ba di candidate ba bana ba tsoa. Two, lebo ke mo rapelletsa after ke kopa lebo ke mo deliverile I don't know ke deliverile lebo many times the spirit di bua ka o yeng I will say rarang ke mo deliverile
yeah
la raraona na di spirit le rato yanwa copies ke mo deliverile ona na di spirit come on princess o pola ke mo deliverile
yes
ona na di spirit boma I can name them.
Gratitude
ke mo delivery. Disable ke mo delivery. Almost all of these people back in them babang it was difficult for them to come because of the spirit telling them ba thibela or back lebo qata fika ona the first thing ha qata utlwa ke mo deliver the spirit ke ba lu ba bua ka o yena. So ntse ke batla batho ba understand the guys they think ke kopa dule ka radikelelo tsa lona or when reduce more retlise candidate most of the candidate di bua le lebo I will say not most all of them. So how do you feel more? It is my responsibility to make them to feel free and lebo hana botata ka ntho eo then ke number 1 ya bobedi ke hore di candidate tse batlang otla ha di itlesleke ha ba tseba hore okay cause jealous if ke dutse le candidate then be ke tshwara candidate no I ke cause jealous ho lebo but I know lebo understand or these people ke responsibility aka ba etsa hore ba be free so ha batle.
Viewers at home, you heard from the man himself, polygamist, November, Ari Litling, and then come on among the applications for Mema Mnani Zedilite. Oslem Kupafana Felaka, the number to call, then Retro Hutela, Howe.
Okay, the number is 061 503 4617. Kopa Wepeta 061 503 4617.
Qui est là qui est au phone là?
Yes.
Okay.
Hape kena lebo but these people they need to understand. Hape kena na ore mkhemu yonu tla ibua ke tsebe neng. Ba kai I think the viewers dinale bana le ho pleasurize lebo. Mara hape ke understand obani because if I change in front of them they will
say yes.
Yeah, no. I think.
Okay. And then Ntate Moruti, when last week, lucky enough, I watched the show throughout. And then there's a word that you uttered out, wari mpoka o rata man. Was it because unoteha kapa njewa morata now? But baby that I feel
I'm Poncham. What's it?
mara ke ga mokgetha wa bua nka ga pa njela
o nthamme ene mpho tshama nna fela tshame le di viewers ene o tshame le ena le
okay viewers at home mara ha no wa morata no bulela
ne ke morata le bo ke moratile ke ma mpho wa ke moratile
okay o ratile mbo
Yes.
okay because you both loved mbo then why are we continuing kapa are we continuing ka the show ya batla mamnane kapa le decide I'm here for the people
No, ntse re tsela pele.
la halena le motho le moratile
Yes, because la ntse re moratile, I don't think se re fihletse with a decision.
yeah
Re moratile. O kore ha ke re hona jela re pick from the candidates tse tlileng, we can pick mpore moratile re mobella aside, but hona le candidates tse ntse re dumeletse hore di kene mohlomong ba tla mali mpho mohlomong nna go batla etsa top 3 ebe mpho teng hona le the other.
okay
Yes.
going forward viewers at home from the 6 candidates no before we get to the 6 candidates because kinana ke yone tlo berekelang go kwala show Oslebo I'm giving you another platform ya go bua le the viewers bana gana go ga ba tle step yes kana ko lo sa ga o e arabile but I'm giving you platform ya gore batho ba ntse ba re Lebu this thing akayetsang Lebu wa change ke re buile le ka ya go change now there are those who call you ba re Lebu kata this ba khalimela la o sa ba bitse mabitso a bona ba khalimela so that re itse gore now o go phounelang ka osane o tla ba crossitse di boundaries now we are setting boundaries because akere we are going to continue to look for Mamnani. This is not the end of the right pig search for Mamnani. We are continue now set boundaries when because maybe back the whatever I give back the opportunity because you are not granting them the opportunity. Kapra feel entitled to call you because how I set the boundaries. Now set the boundaries.
and after maybe ba mo utlwela bohloko because of the reaction
Yes. Kapa maybe when not a boy kauti o dutse mo. Jelo ka no o twile. No. O pala me ya le socha. Oh no ba tla camera.
marwatswa o tloka marwatswa
Pero ke hlakore lena. So hona jena
Jojo, mutla na ka sa mo feeling he is set the boundaries so that you know why ke re o yetse this thing so that how ka ba le motho a ka o founela go sana re gone tse ba re that person o crossitse di boundaries o tella wena o tella ntate moruti because this thing e le yetsa it's an agreement ya batho ba two do you understand now talk to the viewers.
Now ke understand hore na hobane ba ntse ba nletsetsa empa ke nahana hore ke nna a ba feeling platform ya hore jwale ba bue ba utlwe ka ba na le essay ebe jwale ke a ba mamela which ha ke a tsamaya be ke entse jwalo so now motho e mong le mong a utlweng ka rona le maikutlo ke kopa o a etse on a comment section e seng ka phone call ke kopa le respect qeto tseo ke di entse le be le respect le lapa le nana laka because ntho e mole ngwe le buang la ka hara hloya and ha wa tsamaya ho be jolo because lona ntse ntse le dietsang le ntse le bua ke be ke sa bulela di call kapa ke be ke sa fane ka dinomoro hore ba letse ba fane ka maikutlo a bona
in your private space
In your private space
yeah yo fela e fihla e khosa ntwa ka tlung
okay
come on because na hona nna go elong hore motho mo ha ka ta o bua ntho se ke fihla ke address a ho dedi which is not good so le go stopa e mo le mong a utlwe ka nna maikutlo ke kopa le comment section go na matlamang ho ya mono
okay
e seng phone calling
Right.
respect mono ho ha
ba respect la pala
ba respect le lapa
yes
okay
ba respect mo la ka because ona le ba elong hore ha
Yes,
ha ba letsa ba rata o bua ka rona ba motse ba jwang ha ba motse
ga morso
mo se le ke Frida mo ke the right pick love
le be ke mo bana le bona live maikutlo o se le na lona le mohlano fumane fumane chance ya ho kopana le rona live le a ho de hanyane.
Thank you. Sa ya hole le because when I bua wa futumala.
No, but I think that one lebu tshwantse o ne le good addresses thoroughly kapa deep. You know why? Because I said that to lebu ka re lebu. These people ba phone there was a time it was on Wednesday. I'm going to the call tse ileng tsa kena. Tsa about when ba mo phonela personal. Ba bua re no lebu and that mrutu ntho e etsang ha e right
It was Tuesday.
it was
Monday.
lebu that mrutu bilo tshwara basadi in front of you in
Wow, neglect the weather and ha ba tsebe hore na nna le ena show ena na re pele re rana na re be re buile jwang.
So I think lebu tshwantsa ba bolele because every time le ha ba kopana le ena ba modumedisa but lebu are you sure about the ntho e etsang so ba etsang ba jala this negativity tse o bona bana le tsona ba negative for step now banka that negativity bona ba itlisa o lebu and then ha ba qete ba ntse ba le ka ra bona ka ra tsona di tape because ba bang ba bona ba ka ra di tape mo mara tsa bona
Ska ga isa mo le ke nana fela re tlogele viewers at home ha re di tlogele di hola ha mma re tla di bona letsatsi la kotulo ha ebe letsatsi la kotulo le teng re tla di bona ha letsatsi la kotulo le sa le teng then ha la nna le teng letsatsi yes now viewers at home ha le phone fanda ke le teng teng sa phone okay but how na
hello phone number hang 0 man
061
061
503
503
46 17. Please call us.
Dibitsape
061
061
503
503
46 17.
Okay, viewers at home, la roja kana yo section le comment. Sa roja kana ba kwatetse batho ba ba tsenyang lebu bushula. Yes, but we are not here to cause any fight. Viewers at home, the Sanserile Monana together, Kumnandi Kubarapa, and now from all the 6 candidates. Tell the BDT. Nakita kama bakaya.
Sure get it.
Omtame why omshoka kana kosanzo ko khata baba raru. Let's go for an ad break.
Agrumar lebu akana
yes, Oslebu.
Okay. Snap.
Okay, no ne give a comment. Oslebu, from all the 6 candidates, ke kopa kgethe 3. Your top 3. Viewers at home, Oslebu tlo kgetha top 3. E tlo dula e emela other candidates to join. Libone batle monana khonne le date libone and then abakhetha maybe the top 5 from Kapa. If it is from the 6 that they met ha gona top 3 then it's fine. Taberitse ba hore we are starting the show from scratch. We don't have any person Kapa people Kapa ladies that we consider for
So mamnga ha ke kgetha top 3 itlo tswela pele mohlala ha ke re tlo tla ba le
top 3
mane le tsa ka be ke choose hape.
No, let's say the top 3 we khetha ke from the 6 I'm saving the 3 stress because I can't motho ha kenetse the right pick. Remember motho ha sana live ne motho ka se khone go data a ka se khone go nna antsa mengela ka pa dira ne o tlo go dula a emetse lona. That is why I'm saying because I see how this journey ha tlo go end any time now, maybe after 2 weeks ka pa ha tlo go end. Now I'm saying from the 6, do you have any top 3? If not, re tsebeng next week re tla be re qala season ena na re qala from scratch, re qala re sena batho. If Lily you have your top 3, then it's fine. From the people that we will be getting, but go add to the number 3 that you have, maybe ha re feel go okay ba se ba le 7 ka pa ba se ba be re khatha the win.
To be honest, I don't think can lay top 3.
From all the 6,
Ke ba ratile bona, but not for picks.
your reasons?
ke ba hlalosa ba le 6 week offer
la I get obviously go na le di common reasons go tlo na le lebaka maybe a mabedi kapa mararo a tlo coverang bone kaofela
a mang a deep so ke tlo tseba ho okay
hey Remo Remo you are Remo you are like Remo and then you guys you bought your data for search akuna mudipu sane
061 Kiona
503
46 17
yo phone line 061 503
46 17
Bakamela voice note
yes momela mohle mbathong
so ke hantse ke dutse ke nahanisisa ho feta pele hwane ha ile hore ke ne ke na le ke nkeile ko hore jole hona jana tsa batlana le mamngane re dutse so now ke bile in deep thoughts hore but ntwenana ha re ba tsele fan ne re batlela ho build a family so all the candidates ba tlile mona
go you mean all
of them ha ona itseng ha ke dula fatshe ke analyze ke le mong ka bona hore now re tlo khona hore phesue toro
viewers at home kuthathu mamkhulu aga analyze shame
okay le test telephone ena ke re utlore viewers ad me
kapa le butsitse sim card
I don't know go ithutse ma
bulla ya wa ba ntse ha ba sa le so ena again ska ba ena again
viewers at home phone number le comment le kapa ge viewers at home
oh yeah like
oh yalla
okay
viewers at home phone ntleng
ba bang nnete ke ba ratile ke ba rata hore ke batho ba buang gore ke batho ba friendly in fact bana ba le friendly ka ofela okay ba bang ke ba ratile ka nnete ke batho be leng hore being friends I can be friends with them but building a family I don't see
so from all 6 it's a nah
bo barisa
Tumelang lebu o nketsa wena o nketsa tjena o tshwa go tshwantse go binele pina o ibinele dedi mono o go yena le baka le leng fela le o nkekeng ka o lahla ke re ngwanene o nketsa mote o si o nketsa mikhaufende o sikale
baka le leng fela okay from all 6 when you not choosing any okay polygamist
guys lo ba ke arabe baba rao
nantleng supporting viewers ke bona ka baka la lona le ka senketse tjena
le bana ba reng re ske ra choose mamncane limba lesinyana ko guys keep for the advice alone because mamncane yena re choose re amaka
la pele honona ha honona le motho le hola ba le di discouragement tse ileng tsa etsang okay but honona le motho a neng a le teng
okay gona le ana Sietso ne are ke nana ana o botsa the question ne ke tlo e botsa are from the 6 your friend is included the friend whom ha no bua ka yene
ke tswela pele hona jenana ke
butle bikatla go hopotsa gona mo kgethile jwa your friend mohlang anatla in your virgins busiu o no nkile busiu ka ofela le thapelo
yes
o rapela o kopa ramasedi hore a o bontshe sister like o kopa ka matla o le thapelo
na we explain that ka
ne motano mo khathile motano mo khathile a o ile la sa roba la kopa tete modimo la go kompotsa ka mogao ka mo nka tsamaya ke ba tana le no rena ke ma ne now ntate modimo ile a rabela he Now, even that one, you're still not considering her.
Bo pele ho na le nako e ntse motho o swella motho ka thekontse ba ebe ho ba le dintho tse ileng tsa tseno go motho ena o la a di etsa tseno ho di le tsa fetola menahano ya ka menahano e ke neng ke na le yona ka batho ba bang ile ya fetoha. That is why today e fihla mo ileng hore even those people ha ba yo ka hara the top 3. But if this question ile ya botswa earlier, that
means we can say we thank God that did not work out because you could have lived with a mistake. Okay. Viewers at home, Dr. November go batla lona le mojetse pele hore na yena bue ka top 3 hai kapa le nagana re kwaleng show. Yes, and then Harry minding.
Bella Ariana, Mar will be you.
Sisters, Hawa lies.
Mara, will you ever choose Hawa, man? She brought someone here, now she says no one.
Kamota sababua kare sisters, lies.
I guess not lies.
I think it's too early to look for my man. Yo, or you been relate to so.
The show is that talk about your top 3. We want top 3. Kheta Novi and then Pastor Habu. Listen to the shorter. Doctor must choose. From the 6. Nane kitse. Kukopale mamele viewers at home. Kitse ndate murute akheta top 3. Now re tlo go tseya 3 more candidates. Ne akere bantse ba apply to ba mamnana re tlo kgetha 3 more. Now re tla be re na le 6 ka mantsa membeke o tla bo go tla o beke le go tla o beke go tla wole. Now from the 6 ndate moruti tla ba kgetha.
Can you bua something? Can you let's check the comments like what to focus on
something doesn't make sense. Is it both of them ba kgethang cause Kanehile ebe ba dutse fatshe ba tla ka top 3. Ndate Muruti seems to have top 3. And then Tebogo a re lebu sharp ga sa nyaka step. O jealous now ka Muruti. Okay.
So ke kgethe.
Ona le top 3.
No, you're not about top 3.
No. On a top 3. I can be like okay, it's on the data. So Lilela, okay, it's on the data. We will stay here. We will get the top 3. Mario, no, it's happening.
And it's going so much. Guys, the one threat. And it's going so much.
Tu le morona jika, tu me camera.
I know. Now get the stress.
Before they are deep, on the top 3.
It's in top 3. Top 1. Why would you continue for you? Silicon Tower, render Hammer of a Banyang.
okay. No, Marikina Hanaka viewers at home. Back top one, because I'm here for the people. I'm the person for the people. That like announce next week. Top one.
Okay. Okay.
Kaplan viewers.
Okay.
You wait to Hamba top one.
Can down on top one.
Mutlano to top one. In Nilmutlano to top one.
A man candidate in the anymore.
Again, we are not closing the show. Ne? Mari, Riri. Harry Batley, viewers at home, please, this one ke kupale understanding. Moto hatlile mona. O bontsha interest ho lelapa le la ha November. Hore I want to build with you guys. Now come on Jama, o tlo go phuta bophelo ba gagala botle abu keep it safe. Ne? Ka tsela e yalo, no mingling around, no flirting, kapa no dating. Now it's not fair for the right people. Rona ha re bone e le fair. Hore e be le hore re ntse re nka leeto mare bana ba batho ba ipulukile ba ipuluketse the right peaky in Dr. November no sleep. Okay, now for maybe now I'm saying from the 6th because only 3 candidates starting from tomorrow or tonight after show. We only taking 3 candidates that can join the show.
If Baba no. Little John.
Now rona beritse nna as munga show cause show ina kiaka lempa fela ke ba kadimile now nna munga show ne kitse ndate mogutile Oslebu batla kgetha top 3 from the 6th candidate berinka 3 encha etlang. That means we were going to have 6 candidates from the 6th ndate moruta ba kgetha. Now go bonagala gore ha bana top 3 but they only have top 1. That means re tlo bulela still the 3 candidates tsetlang le top 1 ndate moruti e tla be nna batho ba 4. Now from the 4 ndate moruti tla ba kgetha mamnane. Now viewers at home, without wasting any further time and wasting more of your data, allow me to give this time to Dr. November to announce his top 1 and for him to give us his reasons, because rekadile show re buile ka di age, re buile ka di responsibilities, re buile ka di social media, re buile ka everything. Now Dr. November, when he announced his top 1, o tlo refa mabaka kaofela. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Lesa le bali ke osu all lovely, osu dirang dilo tse di all right. Ke your host Lerato Seleke. It's happening.
About
what's one thing that gives you looking?
Level what's one thing
I'll try to be a party.
What's it to speaker?
I'll talk with a party.
Into some recording.
I'll say.
what's one thing that gives you looking? Level what's one
I'll talk about Peter. Okay. I'll talk about Peter. One number Katelanki 4681. 4681. Rukupa Peter.
Rukupa Peter voice note how high.
Emunki.
Evening, Oslebu. Wait one day, Kibili Toro. Mara Dedi come sendela phone ya gage. Dedi ha arabi phone. Come sendela phone ya 073. Ene ke na le yona gale. Come sendela dream yaka. Today Hussein Kilorile mara batho ba ka ba bona. And the reason ain't gore ke ska le botsa that dream. I wanted to pray about it first. today go seng ke lorile monna le mosadi ba dutse they were two ba mfounele ba re go nna we've been trying to call you nomvula ne re sa o thole founung a re o thole founung and then ka be ke re nna ke nna mos phone ke etse ke tshwere I won but ka ba bona sefatlhong gore ke bomang but nkile ka ba le toro go na le motho o ke mmotsitseng dedi a tla mmotsa ke lora ne ke le ko kerekeng ko Jimistin ha ke le ko kerekeng dedi a kena o na tsamaya le Mphomo no ke boditse prophet asa ke moditse toro eng dedi a ba ntshwara mo letekeng a re Nomvula ke batla o tle o tlo ba ya Lebo mara zanga boe o tlo ba ya Lebo wa bona mara a ntshwere mo letekeng Mphomotseng a ba re go tla o se Nomvula o tla etsa ntwe no ntse o etsa but today go seng ke lora monna le mosadi a ke ba bona pele ba re we've been trying to call you but re ntse re sa gone gore re go founele so tonight tshwanetse ke rapele modimo a nrevelele bona those couple because ne ba dutse e le monna le mosadi monna ke ena a mputsitseng a re ko nna ke mosadi o tseng ko nna o na le motho na wa ibona o tseng o na le motho na so yes ke yona toro e ke na leng yona
yeah I think in that paper vanilla Marguerite in that paper vanilla my paper to na couple ke tsebanyang rata I think also Nomvula tsantsa e follow it toro it's very powerful because motho ya ka phone couple ke tsebang gore ba nrata ba ka e etsa ntwe ya o founela o se Nomvula ke ntate Pepane le mme wa Pepane this is very powerful can it also Nomvula we follow it toro can it
okay ke kopa tshwara ka tshitiso eo ke kgola ka ha ke ntse ke se isa phone tse pedi jwale ke na problem what I'm trying to say ke hore mesele ke le ntata moti a se le botse ba ntho ya e batlang ene ke rata tsela eo Alan Brave ka yona ha are go 16 ekeneng ha ke a bona motho nka gagalela pa lena la ntata moti le yena ha sa tibisa maikutlo jwala as a woman mona jalo sa shebela ditaba pele ha shebela mona gore na gona jalo go monate go le go kae so ke nagana gore like she said re mo fa monyetla re fane ka monyetla gore boss ba bang ba tla ba ikete re bona gore na ba tshware eng for ntate Mokgoti yes they might go ka ba lovely hona jwale ha ntse ba iketa e kare ba ka etsa dintho tse tshala but ha o so shebela go ya pele o le motho le wena o le ke le mo shebelli ke le mohi haemo ha ke se ke shaba ke mamedisisa ditaba tse ding hona le tse ding tse o reng che mona teng ka go ipapalo ipetlela ntho tsa bo boyfriend and girlfriend whereas ho shebue hore mona we are going to build and protect the family of Ntate Mokgoti. We are talking about the anointed man of God here, and as much as it's fun, but it holds dignity le tswelopele ya lelapa lena la ha November. So I applaud you Lebo haholo and I respect maikutlo hao haholo o mosadi le half monna o monna
yeah Tomukre
okay
so le re ke bue
I'm having second thoughts about it.
okay
I'd rather say go back, sit down as a couple because now e bapalletse kelello nyaka haholo ha ntse re mametse di voice note or if Neti Sibeli Oslebo did not see any sister from the candidate, a sister wife who can come and build lelapa lena na lene, then Dr. November ena ba re o bone now somehow e ka re le ne le sebetsa ka independent mind.
No, guys. No, you are correct.
Okay.
There is no way. We need to remember, Lebuki Musadi. I'm a man. And about Torkopan and Lebona Kopan and Basadi. There is no way Kilimona. Ngaski Kawali Musadi Karim Hubona, Kilekaba interest and attracted, interested. It's impossible. And when I'm saying, Ona lake money, that doesn't mean I can choose. No.
But or from the 6, okay.
I cannot run away from that. And Nkasiri, just because Lebu Ariana, Hauna Moto, Lebu Kimosati. Ke monna ke kopane le basadi
ene batho ba ntse ke bana batla mo
ene batho ba tle go nene batho ba ke ba bone ene ke basadi ene ke monna so jwa ka pa jwa hona le ntho
hona le attraction
hona le ntho ka tswa so tla ba yo e ka ba but that doesn't mean
no but thank you for making it that clear because le rona ha re nahana ke I said I'm here for the people no le batho hantse ba nahana because ha ke re this thing ha le re la e batla le hlagile together now kelelong tsa rona ntho ya hore ha le kgetha e tla be le something maybe le tsa but tsela e o e buang ka yone hore ntho e tla o khatlang e tla o attractang ha se ntho e tlo khatlang lebu because you are two opposite sex
no ene ka sere ke kopane le basadi be ke ra bona mosadi a ntsha me it doesn't mean
le posh
tla bona le posh tla bona le posh hey bana ba go gae e tla ba ke sule di se
le go kgetha o nna love man o khanya khotso but we are glad for at least o re dirile awe na amina for the viewers nka se go o dirile di viewers awe no re dirile awe ka something in the side body now tell us your top one and then re bueng gore na from here ho ya pele the right pick e ya ka nda ke metse mabaka
ha
a top one top one ha kalokalo ha sento go e ke metse mabaka now we have for the reasons
mabaka ni
why top one
why yena out of 6
yes I can we know why ka mo bona gore now we have for that how can you go to top one very
Mama, no.
Yeah. Buat kamu shorra. Kamu short. Aku nak buat future kasi batli maba.
No, but if Rikinyata be your future, it will be a problem. But now, if Nekisimu root, if I was not a pastor, and then okay, let me be honest. If I was not a pastor, I'm just going to say, Levin Shabbat. On ne va pas oublier la pile. Okay. If Nekisimu root, ne going a chance.
Cut
ka top 1
Ke mang top 1? Re bua top 1. Batla tsa ke mang top 1?
ke santse tlhalosa zia Tom e re ba se ba nkobelle e re ba se ba put under pressure
Au ka ba pressure o ka tloela show. Magno mari, wa o ka tlhaga ka kganta di phasi. A ka se go tika beng a sa tlo a tlo a ka tshantse ka topa. O good. Re mo go se dirile step. Ne yo ne hela alone.
no you know why ke re ho tsene ke se moruti le ke tlo nka risk engwe hlotseng e ke tsebang gore le itukola yona ne nka itukola if I'm frustrated
Mara so ka re black re metsi bu.
if I was not a pastor ne ke tlo nka risk ka top 1 eo because in it ra entina be ke montsha as soon as possible of the immediately of quick
E le gore ba mbone wa mo sa tlo gona ho ikentsha.
no John
A ke go go tla nka risk ka top 1 e. O tseba gore ha o tena o no tlo risk.
I get antenna because young ladies we all know ba
batla o ye mo.
basadi ba batjha ba na le advantage ya bofebe.
Okay.
Young ladies ba ntse ba na le advantage ya bofebe.
Re ntse re bua imparable seno ntate mogodi.
Ha
re ke motho. Be re bua mama no yena re bua imparable se ya no. Re bua ka ditau. Re bua ka ditau. Ntate mogodi. Ha re bue.
Le ka ba putsarnele ke re.
O re fa top 1 o botla ka mabaka. Maybe re ka question mabaka wa ntate. Ya no yana ke bo hane ke se mo go risky
yo meli tele ba re top 1 ke mang okay ke mpho
Baba I'm representing viewers very well. Thank you.
top 1 ke mpho
Okay, viewers at home, ndata mo go tu ibuela ko tlase ya. Mo tuolo wala 125 years.
Explain that.
I'm here for the viewers at home.
So what's also explain the name?
Ya mo ya nge. Hare.
No, sorry.
Why is she top 1? Le bat bousa re bone ba ona top
1. Mabaka. Kana putsori.
Ya ka mabaka.
Why out of the 6 ladies, why did you choose Mpo? Because Asia Renyani, Konali, older people that were here, older ladies,
Uka comment in the classroom,
and she deserves it, to be honest.
Okay.
Bella, mister, can you please call me? And then
and support. But let me be honest, it's just that coming to talk and fear ke a jump. Marumpo.
We say you're not marrying for fun, you're not marrying for social media. You're marrying for somebody and then little grandi responsibilities. Now does qualify in all those corners?
No, I cannot say she can qualify. I cannot say that because she's young. And the responsibility. You must remember the responsibilities are entertainment. Like I said, I'm leading a church. I'm leading a church, and even if next about no, but at least the bush is 32, but already when I'm not she can qualify, she can be good for the Mpo Motle only that flexibility, only that vibe. But coming to the responsibility, I cannot say Kaneti Musepa. No, I don't trust her. I'm not sure.
But she's still a top one.
Yes, she's still.
Then how are we going to find out who will qualify or not? Now that she's so top one.
Yo, simple. It's Umagan.
I'm here for the people.
What Tabanya? Guys. Who become pop because it's become pop?
We be the class.
Show viewers at home.
Okay, Honoring.
Kere, now that Ori, only vibe, only but on other.
Now, Kito Araba, Kabu Sira Sibuk, and Eki Araba, Nati on that Mdimaitba.
Thank you.
Yana Bata Limma Mele viewers at home.
Yeah.
Limma Mele Cow Fam. Silike Gilek about it. Car most Yabanna bow from 45, 50, 55. Most of us will go for 25, 30 to 35. Absolutely sure.
Yes.
Kali route. Basadi banana body 25. These 25 ladies, Baba the advantage is coming to the relationship. It's just that the only thing Ekaba Fedi, Sakapa Fedi, some fella kore, Ototolor, Le Wojabali Batabali Juang, but Hababi could Babam Babona, not all of them. Babam Babona to build Manyalo. As about Oka ring, Okarila, Ubona to build a marriage, and especially for somebody else on a lena. Yana the responsibility thing at Chenana. As about Oka Bang. But the reality of the truth, these ladies, Babu 25, we all know my 2000. Give me two. My 2 tower. There's no way you can compete with 2 tower. Win. There's no way. My 2 tower, not always. We all know my 2000. Amate, and I did the body test my tag with Lamonati, my 2000. I require. Liteki hanan take tila ne kitwa for ke to fisha mo because liteki bue so now the problem we all know Horma 2000 amat. That is number one. And they are saying, all of you, my 2000 amat. Then, and I got my 2000 anade amanati. We all know. That's why Bana Baket getting Basan Swakima 2000. We all know we are not going to run away from that. And that is why it's just that for somebody else on a lena. Hasen to Nkabang, Kabali, Sibiti, Saurinka builder, especially Kilimurutian and the responsibility. I cannot rely exactly on the 2000 for the responsibility. The 2000 in the Lebaka, just Mutasa Hatali, Halimutina. That is why if I was not a pastor, next to mind because Nenga Munyala, then Antinam Frasti Takabu Fe and Kumulas. Resebetan Joalo no. Nenga Munyala. Then antenna, I'm fable, I'm so good to make him laugh. Simple and not like. It's just that I'm not I'm a pastor. I cannot do the total job. I Kinyala no. I need to make sure that Kinyala for the future for building Manyalo Abato for build to be example Banemba Urugan because Ronalibana. So it Akibatu Bamaka. If it was not that reason, and most of Nabama 55 years. Mona omulu orata these beautiful ladies. That is why most of Bana ban Sebeletum, Lebana ban and Lichelete. How about they go for these beautiful ladies? Because Bana Babat, most of the time Runa Bana attract beauty, lady looks. So next time I clear more.
No, it will.
I keep well keep one it.
Okay. Viewers at home now from Oslevel in Tatimugutu going forward.
Obana this person who run it. Are
testify.
Yeah.
Eyes can deceive Muruti. Lenyalo is different from just feeling in love. Okay, yeah.
Waba kana ntse mo bua nnete ke ntwe ke le ka mo hlalosa hore mpho motle ke mpho motle o jong and ma 2000 a matle a jong gona le 2000 ke leng ka jola le lo ne ke nke ile flat le 2000 ne ke re ke jola fela le ena ke re ke a distress ka mora divorce ke le ka hlanyetsa le 2000 ha bohloko ma 2000 ko ha bohloko
You said now, going forward, because I believe we still don't have Mamna.
Ote lebo hlalosa wena lebo mabotsa a re lebo o mathateng. I'm telling you ke go ba re hlalose tsoro mathateng I am because lo wena monna wa hao kapa boyfriend hao wa bona ma 2000 smart o tlo iketsa ka re nna ke wrong ka re hote ke moheteni ka re ke satanism ha ke praise le 2000 but le show and yena ngwana ena ana le mpho all of you lilela mona remote all of you ke le morata so di console di commenting so na ke mo admire o tlo bua re lebo mathate hlalosa wena lebo ke mabotjwa lebo mathate ngafi ka ba bona ka re hothi mohlomo just because ke mo admire hothi mohlomo tsa mo botsa le boyfriend a mo botsa ma 2000 a matjwa
Let's run the show. People that would want to join the family. And when people that all rejoin the family, drop the comment in that Motima Kuala phone. Or you would comment. Just for the comment, how to play Bala comment. Anytime Nikaya come to Bala to comment, we run in the show. Yes. Now, because. You know what? There are people that would want to join the union. But to join a family. Now, but to attention, give opinion. Now, I don't change anything. And we said, but basketball phone never commented. Now, back comment that. No.
No, I can't avoid the ring. Lobuma 13, just because.
Opinion I
now, for those ladies who are sitting down right now, Baba Tang join applications are still open, and now how na anything change now viewers at home, bear in mind we understand the personalities now we are not saying okay and then wena because there is sister Jakubeta, there is Jokolini now wena otona Jokolas. No, mama misisi ineliti tutu fela harina waburabu wena just join maybe wena ha oslebu yena kwana and master ile ya lekere Frida maybe mokuntate muguti you will find the kwana otlo nan strong mo yona now saka ha ba bona ba yetsa lekere Frida ho obofila threatened obofila hontate muguti there are lots and lots and lots of kwanas now please keep those forms, keep those WhatsApp and calls coming. Calls, lead you WhatsApp only for the people who join them. And because this season 2, we are busy compiling the forms, the number, for the ladies, we are busy with that. My single ladies, I have forgotten about you. I have not forgotten about you. Now, keep ntho ke tsena tse right ke ya ma ladies ya batho ba tsayang right ba ba re ntate moruti re kgathetse ke bosengedi re kgathetse maybe go na di hidden side chicks wa bona now ba tlo itlela mona ba bue mofuta wa boyfriend e ba e batlang ne bo buti ba kile di application form re beng le date batho ba kopane
o bo buti bona ba kgethe bo mme ba batla
ba tlo yetsa re qala ka di ladies then re tla be re tloga re ya ko the guys wa bona now yes ke re ba tsayang right because ke ba kgathetse ke bo singing now from me ladies and gentlemen viewers at home I was here for the people I'm the person for the people and I hope and I pray that I presented you well on this one now
but hona le before kwala hona le this question ene re bua ka ona le lebo I think this question is very powerful very important this one ibale
the other problem is that even viewers
asiona ikai are
Muruti, please balance.
Kia.
Okay, Gloria, be very true. Butata kore, lady viewers.
Yena wanaro, Muruti.
Balance the
Kia. Very true. Butata kore lady. Asema, nika na potse.
Ineri buwe.
Kia, kikupa ki check. Okay. Kia. Okay, I get the gift, but that person onare, onare, 100. Mosadu tshwantse a choose ke nna lwena, kapo tshwantse a choose ke nna.
Mamani ke wa lebu.
Yeah. Uri.
Do they have to agree ka mamngane or mamngane ke wa mamuruti?
Kwa mamuruti. Kwa mamuruti, ari kwa mamuruti.
Ite ke wa mamuruti.
Omong a mamngane ke wa lebu cause she's the one a tlameha ho kgetha. Mare bathong a tlameha ho kgetha batho or ka hlaya.
Mamngane kwa ma?
ha le re bua rona as a family ene le gore rona re tlameha go kgetha le babedi motho a nepaetseng because nako e telele motho ena ke nna tlo phedisana le ena ka tlong because ena ka pela hae re tlo ba basadi and ha hona mosadi e leng gore o tla mo disrespect o tla etsang but nna ke tlo leka go phedisana le motho ena na re phela
re kopa ke explain the way nna ne ke bua ka teng kopa kyara o
la ba bona family
ka ho ya ka nna ke tlweleng ka ho ya ka nna re tlameha re shebisane mamngana e leng hore nna
e se lo ya ka wena se tsile le discussitseng ka yo
ke bua hampe ha ke bua ka tsela re discussing ena o tla nhlaola o tla nhlaola so ka ho ya ka nna go re kgethe mamngane because ke nna a tlo phela le yena because rena le maphelo a fapaneng so na go tlo qala hore re be le bophelo bo le bong and bophelo ba rona bo le bong bo tla be bo ya botobile ho motho a le mong ile ntate so re tlameha ho sheba motho e leng hore nna le motho eno re tlo phela environment-eng e leng hore phedisana hantle haholo jwang ha nna ke itse ke hloka sister
baby kopa go thusa tle
haholo ha nna ke re ke hloka sister wife not a wife wa bona ne ke re ke tetele fela
thola ona le comment e ke ratahle bala yena jo novi
no nna ke jetsitse monna wa ka hoja asa hoja sa nyana ne ke tlo ba ma November
asona
are ke o rata fu o transparent shame black ka mamnani
ona le mamnani ke wa level cause she's the one okay but ke kopa ke hlalosa mamnani kwa lebu cause she's the one a tlameha go kgetha mara bathong or kahlanye
atela di comment because ke rena batla mangwa
okay but ke re tsontle ba arabe Ka go jotse nna Seleke. I said to Lebo ka re ntho o bua nnete ke nna motho something o ya ka molao step ase ntho e le o choose and mosadi wa hao wa bo
no ke ke a hopola no go ya ka molao
ke itse o lebo step o ya ka molao ase ntho tshwantseng re choose together. It's impossible. Why? Because number one, motho na tlo robala le Lebo o tlo robala le nna. That makes sense. Two, abatlo phela together. The only thing batlo spend nako together, not to live together. Wow, wa tseba le yena ila ba tshwa are aka se thabele ho phela le mamngane full time because bana le di itse le nang
ana le di ntho tse fapaneng
bana ba tshwana ntho tse fapaneng and le nne ke a tseba there's no way basadi ba ka phela together full time ka tlung le nngwe. That one can understand, but the only thing ke nna motho ya decide ngore and ebile ne ke tshwa jwalo hona ba anentse re but bantse ba le negative no ke neglect Lebo ke etsa ke fa ba di candidate attention ke be ke re I think the mistake kore now when ke batla second mamngane ke matla ke na lwena
okay
car I think that is the mistake because pele nentse ke batla mamngane Kili, Musadi, Kili one. So whatever behavior ke etsa next offend the manga pamang. Now I think the mistake ko kibaka mamngane kina lwe. Now kibekira I think the viewers kina ki wana mistake ya or ebe kunkile ko baka mamngane. Kibeke mufa or step sietswa sietsana jwa. Kibeke some example ka Mseleko. Ka Mseleko o jotile mosadi wa hae wa bobedi amotlisa. Ajola waburaro amklisa no uhu number 5 hasibo basedi balo batla Mseleku number 5 Mseleku ke na choose mosadi ya matlang then abamotlisa atlo mo introduce basadi mba ne ke ho bona jwala ha sandite mosadi ona ba dilana jwang gore batla ba accommodate. The only thing na ekibuleng ke itse o lebolebo nna ke khalla ha ene lo ho ya kanna ne ke khalla hore it was just the wish not to say ke ntwe ke batanyetsana. I said ho ja no ya kanna ne ke khalla hore ka re ka thola mamngane from Lesotho. Why? Because ke ne ke re ke rata how e kinga mamngane from Lesotho mohlome ka etsa robe easy for wena le tlo ba le ntho tse common tse similar le topic e tlo tshwana e tlo flow ne because le tabele
just from the same
place in kene ke tshelo jolo yena ibile ke mo bontsha ke re mamngane wa pele bana le ntho candidate ya pele bana le that common things bana ba qoqa ba spend that nako together. It was my wish nna ho ya ka nna letting I was doing that for Lebore I be comfortable.
Okay.
You get my point? Not to it's a must to reach the mosadi re le babedi. It's impossible because Lebo ke mosadi ke monna ke nna motho tshwantseng a file mosadi ya ke motshwele ke nna motho tlo robala le mosadi. I'm the one ya tshwantseng ke choose motho o latela the way ke mo fila ke nna ba a tshwantseng a be attracted. It's just that the only thing ke dumeletse re etse re babedi because ke ne ke batla mo etsa be comfortable so that le na gone o enjoy a step not to it's a must to Lebo ibe yana choose mosadi kapa and to say no it's not a must.
Okay.
Kempa ke etsa fela just because ke batla le yana etsa jwa ke am accommodate stepung sena.
Okay.
But 100 step asinto o tswa kerekeng ya step o swaka
now Kholadela statement o se buileng we said we are still the journey is still open for the candidate ba ka batlang ho tla. Now Ntate Moruti, are you saying kapa Eric Botse, are we still going to see Oslebu on our screens doing the show wena ya the right pick? Ha re batlo ba surprised.
Okay.
Just go like utata we hlalosa and we let deep ka yona or hlalosa your reasons, and I believe viewers at home by understand. Now, are we still going to see Oslebu kapa Oslebu utana a chake mo the right pick nining asabateng nining ayetse, because now we understand hore usidumetse ne, but now tsela the attraction le di indi banka teng ha di tshwane, because when you are a female and it ketelo motho something a gagwe ke ntate. Now are you referring no as viewers?
Now will say nna nka khala o khutlo re tletsa show sa re tlo batla mamngane sam
On sepela o batlela mamngane.
ke tsepela batla mamngane. Why? One, ke batla ho cancel ntwe na hore
Ha right.
batho ba ntse ba katane le Lebo ba shebile facial expression ya hae. Two, ke avoid ntho hore every time batho ba feel hore ha ke feelisa di candidate comfortable ebe ntho ba njacha ka yona hore no o tashi wetsa o neglect Lebo. A ke batle ntho ena hore ba dule ba katane le Lebo. I don't like that. Or ba dule ba shebile Lebo reactor jwang wetsa. I don't like that. But nna nka khala hore nna le ena re tlo batla mamngane re le babedi. Two, the only thing that I can do nna ko rase ke thotse ke motlise o Lebo mmone ke ba kopanye. But that one ona ke batla be dikelolong tsa rona hore guys ntho e ke etsang, it's just that mba fela ke batla hore Lebo must be comfortable stepung sena. But it's not a must about re batle step le Lebo re le babedi, because nnete se be le Lebo ke mosadi ha tsebe the connection out something I feel le mosadi. Do it make sense? How no it's about to the only thing you Lebo tshwantse yana etsa jwa and to se le nna ke ma accommodate o mamngane ke apele ne ya bobedi the reason why ke batla re tlo batla step wena o tlo nthusa batla mamngane, because now at least re agree lore even if re ka thola motho wa 40 years kapa 45 years we are good le Lebo re a matla motho. If re ka re thola motho wa 40 45, that is number right, because Lebo she doesn't mind to be mamngane. Ya di last ke a hore fela we agree to renalia na hore can I keep this?
Okay, now there is too much of agreement here, viewers at home, and we are happy that our lovely couple, the first couple, right pick. Product right pick is that they together and they are happy, and we are here searching for Bema Moruti. Ke ba di step ha ke bua le rena viewers that Moruti concentrating on the comment.
Ke rata ene bare yes nna I support Moruti Lebo emele ka thoko until le ausisi she's very wise. I will take it to some comments. Only man. I support Novi.
Okay.
Your statement.
Okay. Yes, viewers at home, from next week, Lita Kopana Lina, Osi Olabli, Lita de Muruti, Rebata, Mamgani. Now, we go 7 Kaspiti. Ladies, please. Those who are sitting right now, Banshebile, Ashu, dot. How can you follow? And then
oh, the other thing go correct. Just because kine kiri ne ke khala re ka thola mamngane Lesotho to accommodate Lebo. That doesn't mean ya sang Gauteng, ya sang Limpopo, no, I'm welcome because it was just a wish, not something you can. It's a must know. Now Musutu, Umuvenda, Kalati, you are more than welcome.
Hey, now I will make you comfortable, Dr. Navamata, comfortable, Lebu, and the Right Speak crew. Now, next week, our first candidate, because I gave it the 6th, we will clear me, Lindate, Monana, Hababa, Bumi, Hababa Jumedi. Now, next week, candidate Yamana, Peli, or the Right Speak, Yamamat, Haritonka Babamata, because we have list of the single ladies ready to date. Now, Libana Sansorita Monana, Recoba Batela, Balikan. Now, viewers at home, from me to you.
What's the number?
The phone Amazon.
Make it perfect.
How do you credit? Okay, the numbers that you can call on is 067 095 5039 067 095 5039. You know the comments are the numbers that little phone to join the special candidate. The numbers that you can call key 067 095 5039 067 095 5039 is candidate. Please the phone name next week is the candidate number 1 the right pick. Remember tabaya age haisali problem but ka kupang ke kopa wa apply batho ba leng go mesebetsi ya bona ho flexible. Dr. November Late hand o batla somebody as a sebetseng but earning a hustler wa bona that one is on top of the list. Motho sa sebetseng but earning a hustler. Ona batho ba re ba sebetsa but mosebetsi wa hae o flexible o khona etsa dintho tse di le wena you are still more than welcome. Now it's enjoy the skill and pot ke le buhile haholo o se le bula le mantsunyana a
no le bukinana a lukse batho bana bana hana gore o ntse ka phoso ba bang ba o qenana yo phuo le bo ba ntse ba tsotsa
re tse ke opinion tsa bona but re nkile qeto le ntate gore be hona jana ga o kenya go o tswele pele o tshware show le yena ne ha se
mar ba bolela ha o maikutlo le wa ile yana a ke le yana o ntse batla go swaya shele bunketsa mothesa tshepale
Okay. This thinking to Dumelani has said that we're in gang on the
get you John. Make you address about Bana, barring Runa, Runza, Kisono.
Ababete Abu, Monzenki Bu.
No me kere bua le bona o ntse maikutlo a hore ntwena a se ntwe ya hore rona re a untsha
ha ke ntshwe ho bana go thwe ke a ntshwa ne ke sa gane show hantle ke tsa bang no ke decision e re nkileng le ntate hore a o se lerato a tlo kala the right pick ba tswellise pele mo ne sentse nna le
ba le ba ke rata ntwe ya tsamatsa o tlo etsa hore these people ba dule ba comment bona no le bo create another I'm not monitoring, I'm not lying. And I want to be very honest to you. As if you need to be honest to these people. Tell these people ruena ununzori utinelwena kintwene e ba yetsang ya hore ba bantse ba bua le wena ba utlwela bohloko na e ka re ke nna no
no di comment tsa bone ne
di comments
you even no dula fatsele after the show dietsa and no feel like how badly me
but now so bua ka re uthi mohlomo this thing comes e ka re tswa ho nna now again these people ba filela pity no ba filela ba mo utlwela bohloko no
no go pa let's get and filela sorry guys
no guys guys I can come up now I'm not the compromiser person I can compromise le ba ska tonketsa tlatla sa hore qeteleng ya qetelo be le tlo mo filela e be ka re ke nna a gopo mona we spoke to Lebo ebile Lebo she give me 2 times into ditsela tse re ka ra di sebedisa the alternatives are is either o tlo etsa show le seleke or re kwala o tlo batla motho ka thoko.
Okay.
Abare
that means why you jolla satisfied to
abare but nna I ke rate ntho hore bentse ke tla mona batho ba bantse ba comment negative ba mplela hore I'm not good I'm not happy but no hi bui hore e ka re ke runa ba montshang
oh no my bad ha ke a hlaisa hantle
my guys no
ntse ka re
what ba etsa again bantse ba utlwa bohloko as if ka re ke nna hape ya e ka re jole re a untsha le seleke no
no as kids viewers
make some little nonsense on guys no as some little nonsense I'm not etimo
ena inkwe ke nna ka lebaka la di call tse le di etsang le di comments tse leng hore le a di etsa di ang affect
nna ke le khathale mamela nshebe nna ke le khathale nna le comment straight kana nna le comment straight kana a ke khathale nna ke acting nna a ke le khathale nna ke le tshabi nna. But what I'm trying to say, ntele ba yetsang o create another thing you create or le mo phone le bujole why o tswa and can't this is the platform that is the platform mono tshwantse explain le batho bana go etsala eng so that explanation e come thibela or ba ske ba mutlwela bohloko ba ske ba mo phone because now if you don't explain now you are forcing these people to call you and to feel pity for you again ska go get maybe like if fucking guy patla motho straight kilo because now it's if ke tena ke show ye ke tsama kilo jola straight ke tla tsama kilo jola ibila ke le tshabe
okay
now we need to explain but now this thing until actually comment no poor Lebu ke sono ba montshitse ing but Lebu this is the platform and when Lebu said this thing ya mkwatisa ye batho ba yetsa there was a time when Lebu ana sa roba le ke comments tsa batho bana hore Lebu o jealous ing that's when we came to decision here now no we need to stop this Lebu actually show. And then Lebu ke atla ka di alternatives so tsantsa di hlalose iske ka re ke nna le wena ba yetsa
ke ya tresitse hampe ibile
na ke le khathale guys and no yikina
le di comment o ntse ba commenta jwalo viewers decision ena
na ke le tsabe nna
re nkile qeto ya yona hona jwale ke etsa hobane lona di comments tsa lona tse leng hore le a letsa ene le bua dintho tse ngata le di planta ka hara kelello ya ka
di mamela ke re commenta bua le nna addressa nna no everybody at let's nonsense so commenta nna bua le nna call me 073 ke jonjwa phone la nna 073 202 907 Tata phone lana 073-202-9079 phone lana Lebu we spoke to him We spoke. Lebush was very frustrated. Kid commented about. That's when really Rakata Slike, she must come then run the show. She was supposed to explain that thoroughly so that this nonsense was about Raskavatori. No, Lebu Munsi because Kotoni Battle Jachana. I need to tell him now. Naskelan Proelan. So Naskelan Proelan. Naskelan Proelan. And Nagil Sabin.
Okay. Viewers at home, show. It's just that it said that Horena Kwala show Juang today. But I think everything that was said needed to be ironed out. But Kukupale understanding, please understand.
And a little phone, a little phone, a little comfort that.
The college are not a good thing. So, say, let me what I'm going to call it. You commented those and said, Flela. So,
Mike Zwami, Okana Munga. If you feel she need to run, I get that. I get Musliman. I get only Luna. I get you pattern. If Khalmela nonsense, Khalmela. You come if you say she must run, Munke Muhammad Munke anti-Naikin. Now I'm a very honest person. You go and follow my page and I'm a very honest person. I get it now. I'm a very honest person. She knows me. This lady only 15 years. 15 years and 7 years. I'm a very honest person. Time do not work on 7 years. 7 years. Come here. I'm a editor. If nonsense, nonsense.
Oui, vous allez jouer.
Qui boit le jour. I'll go for it, Mike. Uganda monk.
Viewers at home, I see now, I now understand. Liluna, I hope you see the damage any Zangadu comments on.
No, there's nothing wrong, about wrong. But in top mutar wrong, Lebu. Lebu not on tablet labor to favor to clear it. Or why are so sure? It's got working Naluena.
Okay.
These people, they are not wrong. Lebu can not about a fair clarity to Riena, my kuto hiking. Why are so sure? That's all.
Okay. But here Kukupa show no. First at home, let's meet next week. Renale candidate Yahona Yapili for the right pick for the search of Mamnani. Thank you from me to you. It's a good night.
Bye!
Bye people.
I love you.